Imagine earning money while you sleep. Welcome to our tutorial on unlocking the power of passive income. Today, we'll explore a revolutionary approach to financial freedom through ebook sales, leveraging ChatGPT's capabilities. Picture this: creating an ebook effortlessly, selling it on Google, and watching the profits roll in. The potential is enormous, and the process is simpler than you might think. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or just looking to supplement your income, this guide is your gateway to success. In the following segments, we'll explore step-by-step how to create these ebooks and maximize your earnings. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets to financial empowerment and guide you through each phase of this exciting journey. Let's get started on your path to passive income greatness. Imagine a world where creating a high-quality ebook is as simple as having a conversation. Welcome to the power of ChatGPT. This innovative AI tool is revolutionizing content creation, making it accessible and effortless for everyone, regardless of writing expertise. With ChatGPT, you can easily generate engaging and informative ebooks tailored to your audience's needs. Its intuitive interface allows you to dive into the world of ebook writing without the steep learning curve. By leveraging AI, you save time and energy, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, connecting with your readers and generating passive income. No longer is professional writing experience a barrier. ChatGPT opens doors for anyone to become a published author. Swiftly turn ideas into reality, tapping into the lucrative world of ebook sales on Google. Join us as we explore how ChatGPT can transform your approach to ebook creation, empowering you to earn while you sleep. Ready to take the next step? Let us uncover the secrets to identifying profitable niches and crafting compelling content that captivates your audience. Stay tuned for more insights on this exciting journey to financial freedom. In the journey of generating passive income through ebook sales, choosing the right niche is crucial. To truly resonate with your audience, your ebook must address their interests and needs. This segment is all about identifying those golden opportunities. Start by researching trending topics. Google Trends is a powerful tool for this. It allows you to see what people are searching for, helping you align your ebook content with current demands. Remember, a well-chosen niche is the backbone. It is not just about writing a book, it is about crafting a solution that speaks directly. As you explore these niches, keep your target audience in mind. What are their interests? What problems can your ebook solve for them? By focusing on these aspects, you'll find niches that not only sell, but also fulfill your audience's needs. Now that you've grasped the essence of niche selection, let us move forward to the exciting phase of crafting your ebook. We'll guide you step by step in creating engaging content that stands out in the marketplace. Let's dive into creating your ebook with ChatGPT, a powerful tool that brings your ideas to life. We'll start with a step-by-step guide to writing compelling content using AI. Imagine turning your thoughts into a structured narrative that captivates your audience. With ChatGPT, drafting becomes seamless and efficient, allowing you to focus on creativity rather than mechanics. Next, we'll explore how to structure your ebook for clarity. A well-organized ebook enhances readability and keeps your readers engaged from start to finish. We'll guide you through the process, ensuring each chapter flows logically into the next. But writing is just the beginning. To truly captivate, your ebook must be visually appealing. We'll show you how to enhance your content with visuals that complement your text, making your ebook not only informative but also visually striking. By leveraging the capabilities of ChatGPT, you can develop a compelling ebook that stands out in the digital marketplace. Ready to take the next step? In our following segment, we'll cover how to publish and sell your masterpiece on Google, optimizing it for maximum visibility and profit. Stay tuned as we continue this journey towards financial empowerment through innovative digital means. Now, let us take the next big step in your passive income journey, publishing your ebook on Google. First, setting up your ebook for sale is crucial. We'll guide you through the process, ensuring your work is ready to reach eager readers. But it doesn't stop there. Optimizing your listing is key to standing out in the vast digital marketplace. We'll share strategies to boost your visibility, making sure your ebook gets the attention it deserves. Next, let us talk pricing. Setting the right price can significantly impact your profits. We'll explore different strategies to help you find that sweet spot where your ebook is both attractive to buyers and profitable for you. Remember, a well-priced ebook can be the difference between modest sales and outstanding success. With these tools in hand, you're not just selling an ebook, you're recreating a sustainable source of income. So, gear up for this exciting venture on Google. And as you see your ebook thrive, get ready for the next stage, analyzing sales and optimizing strategies for even greater success. Let's make your ebook a bestseller. Stay tuned as we dive into tracking and analyzing your sales performance next. As your ebook goes live on Google, the journey is far from over. This is where data becomes your ally. By monitoring sales and performance, you gain insights into how your ebook is resonating with readers. Use analytics to identify patterns and trends, which can inform your next steps. Are there particular times when sales spike? Does a certain demographic engage more with your content? These insights are crucial for refining your strategy. Adapting based on this data is key. Perhaps a tweak in your marketing approach or a slight adjustment in pricing could make all the difference. Remember, continuous improvement is the hallmark of success in this digital age. Embrace the power of data to enhance your sales performance, turning every piece of information into a stepping stone for growth. And as you refine your strategies, keep in mind the broader goal: achieving financial independence through innovative means. With each analysis, you are not just optimizing sales, you are carving out your path to passive income. Up next, we'll wrap up our journey and empower you to start your own passive income adventure. Stay tuned as we guide you to take the first steps towards financial freedom. Congratulations! You've now unlocked the secrets to earning passive income by selling your own ChatGPT eBooks on Google. We've traveled a journey that began with understanding the potential of passive income and leveraged the power of AI to create compelling ebooks. We explored the art of choosing the right niche, crafting engaging content, and mastering the sales platform. You now hold the key to financial freedom through this innovative process. As we've seen, it's not just about creating an ebook, it's about setting up a system that works for you, even while you sleep. The tools and strategies are at your fingertips, ready to be used to turn your ideas into profitable realities. You have everything you need to start your own project, from identifying your audience to optimizing your listings for maximum visibility and profit. But this is just the beginning. Your journey towards financial empowerment doesn't stop here. Now is the perfect time to take action. Embrace the challenge. Start crafting your ebook today and step into the world of passive income. Your success story awaits, and we're here to help you write it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of innovators and dreamers. Stay tuned for more insights, tips, and strategies that will guide you along your path to success. Let's continue this journey together, exploring new ways to leverage technology for financial growth and independence. Remember, The future of passive income is in your hands. Start today.